Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable CORS preflight in local dev for UI API calls. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable CORS preflight for local development, begin by understanding what CORS is. CORS stands for Cross-Origin Resource Sharing, a security feature implemented in web browsers. In a local development environment, CORS restrictions can hinder your API calls. First, set up your local development server if you haven't already. You can use tools like Node.js, Express, or any other server you prefer. Next, locate the server configuration file where you can manage middleware or headers. If you're using Express, install the CORS package by running npm install CORS in your terminal. Then, require the CORS package in your server file. Add the CORS middleware to your server configuration. To disable the preflight options request, set the option's success status to 200. For example, initialize CORS with the option's success status, 200. This gets around some legacy browser issues. You can also customize your allowed origins by specifying them in the middleware options. If you're making requests to a different localhost port, ensure the origin is appropriately set. In case you're running a different type of server, look for similar CORS configuration settings. For instance, if you're using a Django server, add CORS headers in your settings. Ensure you install the Django CORS headers package and add it to your install_apps. Configure the middleware to include your allowed origins and settings. Restart your local server after modifying the configuration to apply the changes. Once you have set up CORS properly, verify your API calls in the browser's developer tools. Check the Network tab to see if the preflight request is being sent. You should notice that your API requests are now passing without preflight checks. This method allows for smoother testing during your development process. Ensure to revert the changes before deploying to production for security reasons. By following these steps, you will successfully disable CORS preflight checks in your local development setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.